Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel. I am an engineer who quit her career to do tech reviews here on YouTube. And today I am gonna review a snowblower by Garvey. So it is not snowing outside right now, but that's exactly why I am testing this. Because when snow hits, it's never convenient, never light, and never forgiving. So I wanted to see if this snowblower is actually worth owning before the chaos starts. Guys, let's get started with the product review. All right, no snow outside yet, but we are getting ready. Let's unbox this Garvey 12-inch cordless snowblower and see exactly what you get. Box is pretty compact. That's already a good sign for a great easy storage. Opening it up, everything's well packed and protected. Here is the main unit, super light right out of the gate. We've got the adjustable handle sections, the directional choke plate, a 20-volt 4.0 AH lithium-ion battery, and the quick charger. That's literally it. No overwhelming pile of parts. Easy peasy. I don't like it when there is tons of different parts you need to connect together. First impression so far, this thing weighs only about 13 pounds, fully assembled. I am holding the main body here with one hand. No strain at all. Perfect if you want to drag around heavy equipment in the cold, because who wants that? The build feels solid, the auger looks durable, and it's all cordless. No gas, no cords, no fumes. Just charge and go blow your snow. They promise a 12-inch wide path, up to 6 inches deep, and snow throwing distance of 16.5 feet on a single charge, with about 25 minutes of a runtime total. We'll test that when the snow actually hits. Now let's put it together. Super simple, really just 2 steps. The handle clicks and screws on quickly. No extra tool needed, and it's fully adjustable for height. So it's ergonomic and easy on your back no matter who's using it. Attaching the directional plate and done. This rotates plus or minus 30 degrees so you can aim exactly where the snow goes. No more blowing it back onto your walkway. Safety feature here, dual switches. You need both engaged to start it. This is a smart design to prevent any type of accidents because we all need this extra safety. It's never too much. And there we go, fully assembled and ready. Well, if you are tired of heavily shoveling or bulky machines, this looks like a smart back-saving option to have waiting in the garage for when winter actually shows up, because we all want to be prepared. Can't wait to get the first snowstorm to put this thing into work. I will definitely update you on my Instagram stories once that happens. Guys, be so very sure to check out this snowblower by Garvey. I will leave you all the links down below at the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other possible needed, like really useful information that can help you to save some money of yours, like coupon codes, sales, promotions, any possible way to save your money, the cheapest possible price. Everything gonna be listed down below at the description box down below to this video of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below at the comments. Would you buy it and why would you? And if you wouldn't buy it, then why wouldn't you? Let's discuss it, let's talk about it, let's have a conversation. I want to know your opinion and your feedback on this product. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. Subscribe and give a huge thumbs up for this video of mine. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.